Landslides. So how much do you know about landslides? Landslides are powerful geological events that happen suddenly and cause devastation in areas with unstable hills, slopes, and cliff sides. Several things can trigger landslides, including the slow weathering of rock as well as soil erosion, earthquakes, and volcanic activity, according to the Scientific American Division of Nature. For those of you wondering what are some examples and causes of landslides, here are some examples. Landslides caused by rainfall. Slope saturation by water is the primary cause of landslides. This effect can occur in the form of intense rainfall, snow melt, changes in groundwater levels. In addition, there is flows and mud flows. Many hills and mountain areas that are vulnerable to landslides. As an example, April 19, 2017, in Colombia recently experienced a landslide and at least 17 people were killed and 7 are missing after a landslide sent mud and rocks crashing into several neighborhoods in Manizales, Colombia, caused from heavy rainfall.
Earthquakes cause landslides too. Earthquakes create stresses that make weak soil, and any earthquake with magnitude 4.0 and greater have been known to trigger landslides. A memorable U.S. example of an earthquake triggering mass wasting occurred in January 1994, when the quake struck the Los Angeles region of Southern California. Named for its epicenter in the town of Northridge, the magnitude 6.7 event produced an estimated loss of $20 billion. Landslides due to volcanic activity are also some of the most devastating types. Volcanic lava may melt snow at a rapid rate, causing deluge of rock, soil, ash, and water that accelerates rapidly on the steep slopes of volcanoes, devastating anything in its path. On May 18, 1980, an earthquake struck below the north face of Mount St. Helens in Washington state, triggering the largest landslide in recorded history and a major volcanic eruption that scattered ash across the states. The sudden lateral blast heard 100 miles away removed 1,300 feet atop of the volcano, sending shockwaves and pyroclastic flows across the surrounding landscape, flattening forwards, melting snow and ice, and generating massive landslides. The U.S. Geological Survey estimates that the total losses from all types of landslides each year in the United States are between $2 billion and $4 billion.
To prepare, learn about emergency response and make or follow evacuation plan of your household or community. Inform everyone in your household about what to do if landslides occur. Create an evacuation plan with friends and family. Assemble and maintain an emergency kit. Become familiar with the land around you where you live and work so that you understand your risk in different situations. For more information on landslides, you can visit these sites for tips on how to prepare for this hazard.